ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಸಾರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಣಪತಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. Namaste all Grand Masters. Namaste Ranmat sir and madam and all Mahan Atma Guru. You all are Mahan Atma. 130 crores of people staying in India. Apart from 130 crores people, you only Mahan Atma. Others all are Atma only. Because you only coming here. Okay. Namaste. I am going to tell you about. I am not good in Kannada. I can mix English and Kannada. Okay. So I am going to tell you about Ayurveda. That is called Panchama Veda. Everybody knows 4 Vedas is there. Rig, Yajur, Sam, Atharva, like that 4 Vedas. And one more Veda is there called Ayurveda. Ayur means life. Veda means science. Life science and science of life. That is called Ayurveda. Okay. Ayurveda, that हमारा जो धन्वंतरी, भगवान धन्वंतरी created that Ayurveda, which is the avatar of Vishnu. Okay. Then father of Ayurveda is Charaka, Sushruta and Patanjali, like that. And Charaka you can tell like that. Everybody knows our body made by Panchabhuta, 5 elements. Fire, air, space, water, like that Panchabhuta. In our body, Sapta Dhatu is there. Our body layer is 7 layers. There are Sarakta, Mansa, Meda, Asti, Maja, Virja, like that. 7 layers in our body. In our body, each and everybody having 3 dosa. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Everybody having 3 dosa. What doing that 3 dosa? Vata doing circulation in our body. That nervous system get activated. Whatever circulation happening in your blood circulation, whatever circulation happening in your body, it is doing Vata. Vata means air. Okay. Pitta, it is creation and destruction happening in our body. Whatever you eating, the bone stone, whatever some people having. So it is digestive. That's spoiling. It is finishing that. That means it is creating and destroying that the digestion happening through Pitta, and it will create new creation also, because in our body daily lots of cells creating and dying also. That is happening through Pitta. Okay. And Kapha. Kapha means water. It is doing maintenance in your body. Okay. So 3 things need each and everybody. Okay. Creation and destruction, and circulation, transportation need in our body. Another one, maintenance need in our body. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. If 1 dosa more, everybody having 1 or 2 dosa more, that only create disease. If 3 dosa is balanced, you never get disease. Understood? If you Vata dosa more, you will get Pitta content disease, that fire content disease. If Kapha dosa more, it is water content disease you will get. Just like cold, cough, sinus, like that. Pitta more, then you will get indigestion, constipation, so problem is there. Okay. Vata problem means you will get joints pain, so many weakness, less of energy in your body. Okay. So you have to balance 3 dosa. How to balance 3 dosa in our body? Okay. Through Ahara, Vihara and Nidra. 3 things you practice every day. Ahara, Vihara, Nidra. Food, lifestyle, Vihara. Nidra means sleep. Okay. You should have properly Ahara. Universe, Devu, God created so many fruits, vegetables, and so many things for it. Not non-veg. Human being not non-vegetarian. It is pure vegetarian. Whom you see who is non-vegetarian, they have long face, full hair, their body, that nail is bigger size, and like this. They are non-vegetarian. We have not hair. We are face not long. So we are not non-vegetarian. We are vegetarian. Okay. So we should have all each and every vegetables, each and every fruits we should have. Each and every vegetables are different protein, different vitamins which is need for our body. Some people telling that muli is BC, that this is khanda, that we should not have. Cauliflower is basically something. They are not having so many vegetables. They are having only rasam, sambar like that. How they will get protein? They will not get protein at all. You should have each and every vegetable. You should not have more. Excess is everything bad. You should not have more. Each item. You should have each item every day or every week. Little bit change and do. Then you will get them. Okay. So we have to eat each and every vegetables. We should do the proper lifestyle maintenance. From morning 6 to evening 6. At least 10 glass of water you have to drink. Okay. People drink 2 glass of water in there, right? Small glass, not bigger. Okay. Minimum 2 to 3 glass liter. 3 liter of water you should drink. Up to 6 liter you can drink. No problem. Okay. You should have properly vegetables half. Rice half or chapati whatever half. Vegetables should be half. They are having rice and chapati this much and little bit side dish. How they will get protein? Understood? You should sleep minimum 7 hours. Night 10 to 5 o'clock early morning. People are sleeping at 10 o'clock, sleeping at 1, 2 o'clock, so mobile watching. And then you get up 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Who is wake up after 5, after 8? They are not getting cosmic energy, Vishwa Shakti. So they are suffering so many diseases. Gastric acidity, stomach disorders, weakness like that. But people nowadays are crazy for mobile. They are watching up to 10, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. They are not sleeping properly. 7 hours need to sleep to digest properly and recharge your body properly. Okay, then you will be fit and fine. So no need to go modern medicine that cure the disease. It is balancing disease. You see somebody suffering high BP, somebody thyroid, somebody diabetes. Lifetime doctor telling you have this tablet. They will do business. Okay. So if you follow properly Ayurveda and Indian traditional medicine, it will cure each and every disease within 3 months. Within 3 months, it will cure each and every, even 4th stage of cancer can cure within 3 months. No need to follow modern medicine. Emergency. Night, midnight, somebody get heart attack, something, you have to go. Okay. Like that same, Ayurveda is ancient Indian traditional medicine. We should follow that. Like that same, something about acupressure I am telling. Acupressure is just like Indian root thing which is called marmotherapy. It is part of marmotherapy called acupressure, meridianology, sujok therapy, so many things. Okay. Bhagavan Buddha taught to Japanese and Chinese people. Now it is very popular in Japan, China, because Bhagavan Buddha from India, he only taught them. It belongs to marmotherapy. Yeah. Just like each and every house has a switchboard. You are putting your fan, geyser, light. Like that, each and every organs in your body have switch in your palm and foot. So we have to press that particular in the palm and feet, and so many part on the body also some micro switch point available. We have to stimulate that to activate our life force energy, to active your energy channel, clear the blockages. Like that, that is called acupressure. This much enough today. Your time not there. Namaste.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಯುಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.